Children, here he given this equation 2x plus 3y minus 8 is equal to 0, which is linear equation in two variables. Okay. So what he is asking now? He is asking to make them another linear equation in two variables x and y, that the graphical representation so formed intersecting lines. When the pair of linear equation in two variables, their graphical representation is intersecting lines means they must be followed one of the condition, that is a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. Earlier already we discussed about this. Okay, now I am going to take the help of that condition. I am going to make them another linear equation which the pair so formed intersecting lines. Is it clear for all? Right, see here. Sir, I need the another linear equation in two variables x and y, so formed first is asking to intersecting lines. Okay, Nana, is it clear? Is asking intersecting lines. Intersecting lines means what is the following condition? Once you see. Then they followed the condition is, condition is a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. Okay, is it clear? So I am going to take another linear equation. Just I am increasing something. Here 2x is there. Simply I am writing as 4x plus simply I am taking as 8y. If I increase that number also, I am going to increase simply. Example 27 is equal to 0. Once you check another 2 by 4 means we get 1 by 2. 3 by 8, it is 3 by 8 only. So here what happened? 2 by 4 is not equal to 3 by 8. So it is follows this condition. We have to make them different type of linear equations which are follows by this condition. Is it clear? You have to make them. Is asking only one only. I am going to take another also. Example, this is 3x. That is 7y. We have to write here minus 37 is equal to 2. See here, 2 by 3 is not equal to 3 by 7. Okay, you have to make them like this. How many we can make them like this? Infinite answers we have to make them. So that he is asking to make them only one of the equation. And in this question, one more he given, sir. That is, now he is asking to make them, the condition is parallel lines means that condition, it follows condition is a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2, but it is not equal to c1 by c2. It must be follows this condition. Then only the two lines are parallel. Is it clear, Nana? Right. I am going to take the given question is 2x plus 3y minus 8, sir, is equal to 0. Just I am increasing these two numbers by any table. Example, I am multiplying the 3 table. It's become 3 to the 6x plus 3 3 is 9y. But instead of 8, I am taking simply minus 7 is equal to 0. Then what we get done here? 2 by 3, we get 1 by 2. 3 by 9, we get 1 by 3. But minus 8 by minus 7, we get 8 by 7. So what happened? A1 by 2. A2 is equal to B1 by B2, but it is not equal to C1 by C2. Like this, we have to make the right another question also. Another answer also. You multiply by any other number. Example 5 table. 5 2s are 10x. 5 3s are 15y. But here write as simply different number. Like 6 is equal to G. So what happened here? 2 by 10 is 1 by 5. 3 by 15 is 1 by 5. But 8 by 6 is not equal to 1 by 5. So that it follows this condition. Is it clear? This is the second parallel lines. The next is asking to make them as coincident lines. For the condition is what, sir, for coincident? Okay, coincident condition. Condition of coincidence. The condition is A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by 2. This is the condition. Okay, how to make? Very simple. All numbers multiplied by the same number. Example, multiply by 3 table. 3 2s are 6x. Plus 3 3s are 9y. Minus 3 8s are 24. Is it clear? This is one of the answer. Second answer, you have to multiply another number. Example 5 2s are 10x. Plus 5 3s are 15y. 5 8s are 40. Is it clear for all? How many such type of answers we have to create? An infinite many solutions. Is it clear for all? Listen to it. Check once.